Hi everyone, we are here for week 3, lesson 2. Today we are going to read chapter 3 in our story, so I'm going to pull that up in a second. There is no new vocabulary today, but what we'll do, we will read over the story, and then after the story, we will go over our 5 comprehension questions. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen and pull up the story for us. Okay, so this is chapter 3. We are reading about gravity on a roller coaster. So gravity was one of our vocabulary words we had in the past. Gravity. So gravity is a force that attracts something or brings something to the ground. So I don't know if you remember that analogy I made, but if we're holding something in our hand, it could be anything. So I have a pen, for example. If I drop that pen, it's going to attract towards the ground. That's because of gravity. Okay, so let's start reading. The family walks to the roller coasters. The roller coasters have turns and loops. They have big hills. A force is a push or a pull. We talked about that word before. Force makes roller coaster cars move. Roller coaster cars can be pulled and they can be pushed. Okay, so think about when a roller coaster is going up a hill. When it's going up a hill, the cart gets pulled up the hill. And then when it's going to go down, it gets pushed down by gravity. Because remember, if something is moving towards the ground, it's because of gravity. The roller coaster cars can be pulled up a hill. The roller coaster cars are pulled by a chain. The chain moves them slowly up the hill. See this chain at the bottom there? Gravity is a force. Gravity pulls people and objects down to the ground. Gravity pulls roller coaster cars down a hill, right? So that's what we were just talking about. Roller coaster cars are pulled to the top of a hill. Then gravity starts to pull them down the hill. The roller coaster cars start moving faster. They move very fast at the bottom of the hill. Magnets can pull or push other objects. A magnet can pull a paper clip to it. A magnet can push another magnet away. Roller coaster cars can use magnets to move. So that's pretty cool. They use forces like gravity, so pushing and pulling to move, and they use magnets that helps the objects either push towards each other or pull away from each other. A roller coaster track can have magnets. They help the roller coaster cars move. Magnets help the roller coaster cars go fast and slow. Magnets help the roller coaster cars turn and stop. Roller coaster cars move up and down. Roller coaster cars move slow and fast. Gravity helps roller coaster cars move. Next, the family will go to the Ferris wheel. Okay, so we talked all about our roller coaster and how they move. So we're going to get into our questions. Let's do these. These are good. Okay, so as always, when we're answering these questions, you can answer any way you want. You can use your voice, you can touch, you can print it out and circle it, whatever you want to do. And if you need more time after I ask the question, pause the video so you have some more time to answer. And you can go back and listen to the story again if we forget some of our answers, okay? All right, number 1, what was this chapter about? So what do you think we were reading about? Did we read about games, roller coasters, or food? What was our story about? Number 2. What does gravity do to roller coaster cars? Does it pull, push, or throw? So remember my gravity analogy I made with the pen. Like if you're holding it, it moves to the ground. Why? Okay, number 3. How do magnets help roller coaster cars go? Do they help them go over, still, or fast? What do magnets help roller coaster cars do? Do magnets help roller coaster cars dance, turn, or jump? Okay, and last question. What do you think is important to know about this chapter? Do you think it's important to know that gravity makes people hungry? Gravity makes things float in the air? Or gravity helps roller coaster cars move? Think about it. All right. Well, that was a short one today, my friends. I'm going to stop sharing. There we go. That was it. Just a story and 5 questions, and you're done. All right. Great job. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.